Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're doing this video on Sentry Audioshield active noise cancellation, noise isolating earphones. If you guys bought these, leave a comment in the comments section. Let us know whether these are decent or not. Now, these are the first pair I've seen that actually have active noise isolation. I've seen those where you actually don't have any kind of like electronics in them. You just pop them over your ears, and they work pretty decent. But active noise cancellation, Bluetooth wireless, clear voice mic, and 24-hour playtime. Minus 27 decibel reductions. These are, I think these are like audio phones secondary. As far as audio phone is concerned, I think the primary purpose serves as like a device. If you guys are working in an area where there's like a lot of noise, it actually just kills off that noise, as you guys can see, because these look kind of industrial. But if you guys have these, like, leave a comment in the comments section. Let us know whether these work as good as they say it does. Wireless work, home safety protection, and these are like $19.99, which is like active noise cancellation, Bluetooth wireless, rechargeable battery, clear voice mic. I tell you what, this is like the first time I've seen something like this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. If you guys picked up one of these earphones, leave a comment in the comments section. Are they really that great as far as reducing the noise around you? If you guys are buying this for work, let us know whether these are really decent for the price. I mean, to be honest with you, the $19.99, how can you go wrong with something like this? Now, I don't know what the going rate for these kind of earphones are. I'm pretty sure they're pretty, priced around the same range on Amazon and eBay and any of those places. But you got a volume control. It says it's reinforced, built to last. It's got a rugged build. ANC on-off feature, twistable headband, rechargeable, auxiliary cord included, noise isolation, etc, etc. I gotta tell you, I like the way they look. They're very industrial looking, and I'm pretty sure they're meant for something, used on the job and stuff like that. But you can also use this as a secondary, as a regular pair of earphones. It's Bluetooth capable, and they look pretty comfortable. If you guys have had these, and they're pretty comfortable, leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys have these and you guys come across any kind of issues at all, as far as, because to be honest with you, Sentry is not one of those companies that I think of when I think of audio. I've actually never heard of Sentry outside of these products that I see in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Burns Co. Factory, and some of these off-brand. Ross's probably. There's no Ross's around my area, I don't think. But in any case, there's a ton of these earphones out there. I don't know if these are any better than the noise isolation earphones that aren't produced for like industrial work and stuff like that, because these earphones look pretty rugged. I mean, they look like they were built specifically for industrial work. Like, you don't need, to be honest, you know what, you don't really need to have anything connected to. I've done reviews on pairs of noise isolation earphones, isolating earphones, and you really don't need to be paired to anything. I mean, you just turn it on and it just isolates the noise. But they specify these as far as minus 27 decibel, as far as how much noise it isolates. But in any case, I like the way they look. $19.99. pretty decent price. Most of the earphones at these discount stores are priced around $20 or below. If these are good earphones, leave a comment in the comments section. Let us know whether you've had any good use out of them for the price. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.
40, 50 feet. Why don't you turn around and let them get a view from there and see what the field of view looks like. You're backing into the cable.
Okay.
Turn around to your right, be better.
I don't want to go into the sun if I can avoid it.
That's right, yeah.
I'll just leave it.
All right, let it
Sit
sit
like that and walk around it.
Houston, how's that field of view going to be? Pick up the mesa far away?